everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Kirby Raganet, and today I will going to learn how to solve about the linear equation. Let's go. Ito na siya guys, linear equation. Our formula is m equals y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. At ito yung formula natin sa ating slope. Ito guys. And gagamitin natin yan mamaya. Our given is positive 2 and negative 3. And positive 4 and positive 5. Para makuha natin ang ating slope guys is using the formula ito. Gagamitin natin to tapos substitute the value lang. Ito na siya. M equals 5 minus negative 3 over 4 minus 2. Dito lang natin yan kinuha. Ito. Positive 5 and negative 3. And 4 minus 2. Ito guys. Positive 4 and positive 2. And ito lang siya guys. Dahil pareho silang sign, is plus natin. 5 plus 3 is equals to 8. 4 minus 2 is equals to, dahil hindi sila pareho ng sign, minus natin. Dahil dito sa akin guys is 8 over 2 sila, pwede pa ma-divide, i-divide natin. Pero kung hindi na kaya ma-divide kung sa inyo, is ito na yun yung slope nyo. Dahil sa akin pwede pa ma-divide, i-divide ko. 8 divide 2 is equal 4. Ang ating slope natin sa atin dito na given is positive 2 and negative 3 and positive 4 and positive 5 is 4. Ito yung slope na natin. Ito yun. 4 na dahil pwede pa ma-divide ang akin dito. 8 divide 2 is 4. And ito yung slope ko. And yun lang guys. Sana makatulong.